Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is Kaizen. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in this term or in this methodology that what is Kaizen. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So what is Kaizen actually, friend? Friend, Kaizen is an approach to creating continuous improvement based on the idea that small, ongoing positive changes can reap significant improvements. Typically, it is based on cooperation and commitment and stands in contrast to approaches that use radical or top down changes to achieve transformation. Kaizen is core to lean manufacturing and the Toyota way. It was developed in the manufacturing sector to lower defects, eliminate waste, boost productivity, encourage worker purpose and accountability, and promote innovation. As a broad concept that carries interpretation, it has been adopted in many other industries, including healthcare. It can be applied to any area of business and even on the individual level. Kaizen can use a number of approaches and tools such as value stream mapping, which documents, analyzes, and improves information or material flows required to produce a product or service, and total quality management, which is a management framework that enlists workers at all levels to focus on quality improvements. Regardless of methodology, in an organizational setting, the successful use of Kaizen rests on gaining support for the approach across the organization and from the CEO down. Kaizen is a compound of two Japanese words that together translate as good change or improvement. However, Kaizen has come to mean continuous improvement through its association with lean methodology and principles. Kaizen has its origin in most post World War II Japanese quality circles. These circles or groups of workers focused on preventing defects at Toyota. They were developed partly in response to American management and productivity consultants who visited the country, especially Edwards Deming, who argued that quality control should be put more directly in the hands of line workers. Kaizen was brought to the West and popularized by Masaki Imai via his book Kaizen. So, 10 principles of Kaizen. Because executing Kaizen requires enabling the right mindset throughout a company, 10 principles that address the Kaizen mindset are commonly referred as core to the philosophy. So, the principles are: let go of assumptions, be proactive about solving problems, don't accept the status quo, let go for perfectionism and take an attitude of iterative, adaptive change, look for solutions as you find mistakes, create an environment in which everyone feels empowered to contribute, don't accept the obvious issue, instead ask why 5 times to get to the root cause. Information and options from multiple people. Use creativity to find low cost, small improvements. Never stop improving. How Kaizen actually works? Kaizen is based on the belief that everything can be improved and nothing is the status quo. It also rests on a respect for people principle. Kaizen involves identifying issues and opportunities, creating solutions and rolling them out, and then cycling through the process again for inadequately addressed issues and problems. A cycle made up of 7 steps can be implemented for continuous improvement and can provide a systematic method for executing this process. Kaizen cycle for continuous improvement. Kaizen can be implemented in a 7-step cycle to create an environment based on continuous improvement. This systematic method includes: get employee involved. Seek the involvement of employees, including soliciting their help in identifying issues and problems. Doing so creates buy-in for change. Often, this is organized as specific groups of individuals charged with gathering and relaying information from a wider group of employees. Find problems. Using widespread feedback from all employees, gather a list of problems and potential opportunities. Create a list if there are many issues. Create a solution. Encourage employees to offer creative solutions. With all manner of ideas encouraged, pick a winning solution or solutions from the ideas presented. Test the solution. Implement the winning solution chosen above or discussed already with everyone participating in the rollout. Create pilot programs or take other small steps to test out the solution. Analyze the results. At various intervals, check progress with specific plans for who will be the point of contact and how best to keep ground level workers engaged. Determine how successful the change has been. If results are positive, adopt the solution throughout the organization. These 7 steps should be repeated on an ongoing basis, with new solutions tested where appropriate or new list of problems tackled. Kaizen 5S of framework. A 5S framework is a critical part of the Kaizen system and establishes an ideal physical workplace. The 5S focus on creating visual order, organization, cleanliness, and standardization to improve profitability, efficiency, service, and safety. So, the 5S are the sort or organize. Separate necessary workplace items from unnecessary ones and remove unnecessary items. Set in order. Create orderliness. Arrange items to allow for easy access in the way that makes the most sense for work. Shine. Keep the workplace clean and tidy. Standardize. Systematic workplace cleanup best practices. Sustain. Keep the effort going on. So, friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you, friends.